And now to turn number 4, Travis Crawford leads them on the pole, and we're green for the factory stock feature event. It's time for the Fender Fighting Warriors. Crawford leads us down the back straightaway for the first time into 3 and out of 4. Lap number 1 will go to the number 14 of Travis Crawford. Crawford leads lap number 1. 3 wide. Oh yeah, here we go. Factory stock fun for the lead, side by side. The 87 of Nick Artherton on the bottom, Travis Crawford on the outside. Artherton slid it right up into Travis Crawford, and Crawford went up like he was being abducted like a spaceship, and then went back on the ground, and he falls back tremendously to 6th. Now he's going to try to get back up to the front. Here comes the 6W of Chris Wilson to the inside for second. He got held up and he slid away. And now challenging for the lead, the number 41 of Sean Brownlee. Brownlee didn't make it work as Brownlee tried topside in 1 and 2, but Artherton working smooth on the bottom, catfishing his way to a victory here at Tulsa Speedways. Now he slides it up the racetrack, and here comes Connor Brownlee looking to go to the inside. He's putting his front bumper right on Artherton, and oh, he goes around in 1 and 2. Brownlee and yellow coming out. Hard race. 11 positions thus far. He started 22nd. He's up to 11th. The number 10, BJ Brandon Jarvis. 4 complete, and we're back green. Nick Artherton leads us. Artherton back to his own on the bottom. As we see Connor Brownlee quickly going up through the field as he was in second. And oh, the field. And here we go. Demolition Derby in 3 and 4. What I tell you, that's the fender banging, fender fighting, door banging, paint trading factory stocks. Dwayne Davis, your restarting top 5. Everybody from 5th back moved up 5 spots, is from 2nd through 5th. Fell suit of that last caution. The 6W, Chris Wilson, already making a nice run. And oh, Kevin Wasserman and parking lot yet again involved. The 22, Kevin Wasserman, the 101B, Noah Segi, and the 4 of the lady, Zoe Hyde. Back can very easily make their way to the front. Nick Artherton will lead us. Lap 4. Can we get it complete? And we're back green. Nick Artherton leads us. Artherton leads the field. And oh, around goes Double D. Here's the factory stocks. Double D. When we first started the shenanigans on lap number 4, the number 44 of Timothy Roberts was in 12th. He's now up to 6th. All simply from the lap 4 shenanigans of the factory stocks. Here we go. We'll try it again. Nick Artherton leads them. Most of the field getting around 1 and 2. Hold on to your seats. Don't take a breath. Coming up, we might get lap 4 completed. Down the front straightaway, most of the field. Timothy Roberts getting squirmed. Lap number 4, we got her done. Yay, doggy. Nick Artherton, nothing but clean air for the lead. Brandon Jarvis looking to go inside of Aaron Kuehn. 3 wide out of 4. Turn 2, Zoe Hyde. Yellow coming out, but at least good news, folks. We got 2 laps complete that time. 18 minutes. Looks like we just might hit the time limit on this one. Still 10 laps remaining. Here we go, 10 laps. We got 2 minutes. Aaron Kuehn, the one lone driver, going top side to 1 and 2 down the back straightaway. Aaron with a nice run, looking to go to the outside of the 62 of Chris Bales. Bales drove it right up the racetrack, tried to cut him off. Now they go 3 wide out of 4. Down the front straightaway, still 3 wide. BJ in the middle. The 77 on the bottom, Bales on the outside, still 3 wide. BJ with his advantage. Jarvis now up to 4th. He started 22nd. Making the headlines. And now the 77 of Scott Wilson to the inside of Chris Bales, slides it up to him, going into 1. And oh, he goes right up, drove it straight into the wall. Yellow coming out for that one. Oddly enough, it wasn't due to him. He kept it going. We're going to try 12 laps. If we can get 12 laps in, that's going to be the race. We're going to shorten this for a 3rd time. Now going 12 laps, if we can make it. Fingers crossed. We're back green. Going 12 laps now. Artherton leads them down the back straightaway. Aaron Kuehn top side. Jarvis on the bottom, side by side for 3rd at the line. Jarvis working bottom, nice and smooth. Slider for 3rd on Kuehn. Kuehn tried to cross him underneath. It didn't stick. Down the back straightaway. Now Jarvis, eye set on the 14 of Travis Crawford for 2nd. BJ looking to go. Oh, red flag upside down. 420 Houston Garrison. Big time rollover. Alrighty, going green this time. Lights off. Going green out of 4. Green, white, checkered restart, and we're back underway. Nick Artherton will lead us to the green. Artherton back on the bottom. Down the C-Rash Construction scoreboard. White flag one more time. One more, we can do it. Nick Artherton leads them going into 1 and 2. Catfishing. And down the back stretch for the final time. He was able to avoid all the madness. Nick Artherton wins, and it's in the books. Travis Crawford, Brandon Jarvis, Aaron Kuehn, Chris Bales, Dalton Happick, and 3 wide at the line. That was, at least we got a good finish there. They made it worth it going 3 wide at the line.